In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section on Mautic landing page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the builder, how to place a new section, and how to apply your changes with confidence. Start by opening your Mautic login page in a browser and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Components menu. This is where the assets for your pages live. Click Components, then choose Landing Pages to see the list of pages in your account. Find the landing page you're currently working on and open it. On the page view, select Edit to enter the editing screen. Next, click Builder to launch the Visual Builder. This is where you can change the structure and content of the page without touching code. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel with different elements. Navigate to Sections. Sections are the building blocks of your layout. They define rows that can contain one or more columns. Decide which layout fits your content. You'll see options like a single column, a two-column layout, and a split such as 3-7. Click and drag the section you want from the panel and drop it onto the page canvas. As you hover over the canvas, you'll notice highlighted areas that show where the section will be placed. Release to drop it into position. If it lands in the wrong place, simply drag it again, or use undo to step back. With the section in place, click inside it to add and edit content. You can insert text, images, buttons, or forms, and format them using the inline toolbar. Adjust alignment, spacing, and backgrounds to match your design. Keep your structure clear. Headings should follow a logical order, images should have descriptive alt text, and columns should remain balanced for readability. If you're using multiple columns, consider how the content will stack on mobile devices. Concise text and clear calls to action work best. When you're happy with the content and styling, click Apply Changes. Give the builder a moment to process. Wait for the confirmation indicator to finish before proceeding. Applying changes ensures your new section and edits are captured. A few quick tips as you refine your page. Start with the simplest section that supports your goal, then enhance with content blocks rather than overly complex layouts. Keep consistent padding so sections feel cohesive. Use contrasting backgrounds to separate content and improve scanning. And when possible, preview your page across screen sizes to confirm the section looks great everywhere. That's it. You can repeat the same drag and drop process to add more sections or continue editing other parts of the page once your changes are applied.